Now we have to attack these two bolts of brake cleaner. Yeah. Okay. Ah, man. As the bolts are free, you can wiggle and to get this guy out. Yo, this way. Federbein. Now having a closer look to this shock absorber. No wonder that it is making noise as I'm driving the car. A lot of play. They are definitely shot. Still the original shock absorbers. Unbelievable. Now we can pull this guy and we have to unbolt this one. I'm going to pull this out of protection here. So, like so. Open it a little bit. New gloves. Well, we get this guy here. We got this guy over there. Meine Fresse. Ah, damn it, man. There's the hole. Now we're gonna reuse this. Also, we are going to reuse this nut for whole assembly. Now I have to get also this out, clean it a little bit, and remove the whole this together. You can see Staubschutz. So we are going to change this bolt. Time to get this one. Let's go over here. The end of the spring should be here, exactly in that position. Now time to install. Well, the spring is sitting well over there and over there, so we can release slowly the spring. We are going to install back this guy. Oh yeah. Yep. Yo. Yo. To be careful. Oh yeah, it is already damaged. So I'm gonna try to find an idea how to install it here back in this new one. Shock absorber, brake sensor cable holder. I drilled the holes a little bit bigger. I do have this package full of different clips. Pretty good. The other side is also done.